This music shit is full of gimmicks, it's a shame. These niggas try hard to be different, but they the same. Part of the reason that I came was to get on beats and express my disdain. Get a bitch and hit her with this thing. Find a nigga like me, that's unlikely. Me lose to the rappers unlike me. Niggas hate but they act just like me. I'm on a roll, why stop now? When money's in the picture, a lot of niggas is cropped out. If I said it, then I meant it. Come in, ma, spend time with a nigga that's authentic. I know you ain't used to that, but I'ma get you used to that. And the way you move and that got me excited to see what you could do with that free Max B. Shorty so wavy, hit it from the back like ow. And the neighbors know my name when it's going down. All she ever really wanted was a nigga to keep it 100. A nigga that could be blunt without being blunted. And that's me, you see in the streets, just remember that that's me. When I'm fucking got my hand around the neck. When I'm rapping, got my hand around your necks. When I'm finished, I just bang on my chest. I look around and scream, motherfucker, who's next? In the booth with a combine, still turn the beat in the Columbine. I ain't never been scared, cause I'm better than all you niggas at the same time.
I'm like, it's funny how this game can't change niggas. Fuck boy, this my game, nigga. Stupid hoes, lame niggas won't try me though. Ain't nothing but a little old thing, nigga. All these hoes in the spot wanna claim that they hot cause Instagram style. Because a bunch of thirsty niggas press that like button, now this bitch think that she hot. Funny how these hoes just claim niggas.
My bitch rap, great claim, nigga.
But I'ma tie your hoe down, and I mean I'ma tie your hoe down. And give it that vein, nigga. But I mean what I say, and I say what I mean, but I mean what I say. And that's a little wordplay, and I ain't even have to front today.
I'm like real nigga talking, I could be that guy.
Right.
You show me that you need me, girl, I could be that guy. I'm like real nigga